go to the drive.google.com, and over there you will find this gear icon. Just click on that and then click on download backup and sync for Windows. Then what happens is that you will be taken to the download Google Drive page, and from here you can download this personal option. For business they have got different tool called as drive files file stream, but for personal use you can use this backup and sync tool. Just download that, and after that you can follow the on-screen instructions to install the Google Drive. Installation of the Google Drive on your computer, this screen will open up. Here you have to sign into your Google account, and then rest of the things you have to do. So you can do two things. You can back up your local directories from your laptop to Google Drive, and also sync Google Drive files into your laptop. So this is the first step. Here you have to choose the folders from your computer to continuously back up to Google Drive. Here you can see that by default desktop, documents, pictures will be backed up, but you can uncheck that, because if you check all these things, then a lot of network bandwidth will be utilized or consumed, and you will have very less speed. So you can also choose the folder which you want to backup, or you can go to the this particular setting where you can tell like what kind of files you want to backup. And here I'm gonna select one folder which I need to backup, not everything, because if I backup everything, that will not be good for my bandwidth of network. So I'm gonna create one directory, G drive, on which I'm gonna put files that I want to backup. And there are also some settings over there, so I'm gonna just check that checkbox first. So that folder will be backed up, and there are other settings like what kind of photos or quality of the photos or videos I need to upload, high quality or original quality. And also there are some settings like if you want to backup the photos into Google Photos, that setting is there. Then and the next thing, you have to tell if you want to sync the files from Google Drive to local directory on the computer. So by default that checkbox is checked. At the top you can see, so Google Drive will be like sync to the local computer, and that folder will also be created for Google Drive, but that is optional. You can uncheck that, and then nothing will be synced. So there are two options. You can either like sync all folders files from the Google Drive, or you can also select specific files or directories that you want to sync on your local computer. So here I'm gonna select some of the directories that I want to sync. And then as I said, I have created two directories, G Drive and Google Drive. So Google Drive is actually the files that are been synced from my Google Drive online account. You can see that files have been syncing now. That will be downloaded to my local computer. And there is another directory, G Drive, just down there you can see that G Drive is actually my local directory, and whatever files I put over there, that will be backed up into my online Google Drive account. You can also right click on Google Drive folder and then go to preferences. Google Drive menu is there, and preferences, and over there you can also change the settings as well. Again, like what files you want to backup, what folders you want to sync, all that settings are available once again if you want to make some changes. And finally, if you want to see like the files that have been backed up from your laptop, you can go to Google Drive and then click on computers, and then in the my laptop you will find your files. You can see that G Drive directory is over there. Thanks for watching this video.